Tired of all your problems on Earth? Suffering from been there, done that? Want to find that special piece of land you and your family could call your own but never could afford? Well, friends, look no further, because today is your lucky day. Due to the fantastic new advancements in hotel and life support making technology, you can finally make your dreams come true in our neighboring planet. Yes, you can finally rise above Earth's gravitational pull and visit the pristine and untouched splendor of Mars. That's right, you heard me correctly. Mars. Written about for centuries. Subjects of many movies and television shows. A mysterious dream until recently. Now a chance for you to control your own future and be a part of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Now you might be wondering, isn't Mars already overcrowded? I've seen movies and TV shows where the local inhabitants are always looking to take over Earth. Have no fear though, the only Martians will be your friends, family, and neighbors who want to call Mars their new home. We provided the water, breathable atmosphere, and of course plenty to eat in our deluxe hotels, providing you with the chance to enjoy your stay. Mars is named after the Roman god of war due to the blood-red surface of the planet. However, you should think that it should be named after the god of paradise. With days lasting 24.37 hours, you'll have those precious extra minutes to explore, discover, or just relax on the surface of Mars. It takes a long time on Mars to complete all of its seasons. No matter what your favorite season of the year is, Mars gives you a chance to enjoy it just a little bit longer. Summers are over 6 months long, spring is 7 months long, autumn is 3.5 months, and winter is 4 months. For your math wizards out there, you counted correctly. It takes 20.5 months to complete the seasonal year on Mars, and there are activities for you to use every minute of it. Once on the planet, you may notice it's actually kind of cold. That is because of a lack of a greenhouse effect, which does not allow heat to stay on the surface very long. This makes it perfect for all your winter activities, like going to our exclusive winter lodge, located on the frozen CO2-based South Pole. Don't like the winter resort? Want to enjoy the rest of the planet? We designed 2 packages just for you. The Explorer package will allow you to enjoy the different environments on the Martian surface. From the dry lake beds where you can use BMX bikes to the long sand dune fields where the dune buggies are. You may also be able to test your wits against the Opportunity rover and discover whether or not Mars has a liquid or solid interior, or study the rocks to see if Mars had water on it. Still not adventurous enough for you? Try the Extreme Outdoors packages. These tours were made for people who feel the need to go above and beyond earthly ideas of extreme. First up is the Stink Dome volcano, Olympus Mons. At over 3 times the height of Mount Everest, Olympus Mons will take your breath away, literally. Take a while to explore this awe-inspiring site by spending time in our mountain hotel. Next, you will hike down to the Valles Marineris, named after the Mariner spacecraft which first flew over Mars in 1963. This canyon is so immense the entire Rocky Mountains could comfortably fit in there, with room to spare. Lastly, you get the chance to rough it and prove yourself as we camp and explore the vastness of the Valles. Rising as high as 7 kilometers at some points and extending over 1/5 of Mars, it is sure to challenge even the most seasoned outdoor enthusiasts. Oxygen, water, and food are provided along the way. If all this sounds too good to be true, just wait, because there's more you want to know. After spending a long time on Mars, you may notice that during the day, 2 moons orbit the planet. These moons, called Phobos and Deimos, have an 8 and 30-hour revolution around the planet respectively. These moons are thought to be asteroids that drifted way too close to Mars' gravitational pull. Phobos is expected to crash into Mars in 100,000 years. We provide insurance to protect you and your family just in case it lands beforehand. There are employment opportunities on Mars as well. In addition to our expanding resort properties, the mining industry is just getting started, with specific interests on Mars' minerals and their scientific value. The rocks on Mars contain copper, various metals, and of course, to all you scientists out there, actual microorganisms. That's right, life on Mars. Now, these things can sell over $10,000 US, which, if you find enough, can make you really rich. And unlike some of those other visit planets and get rich companies out there, we don't have any problems with the natives. By now, you are probably ready to jump on the next available spacecraft and come on in for a visit. The distance between our planet to Mars is a short 35 million miles away. If you take the ultra-fast Lightspeed Express, it's less than 3 minutes each way. Unfortunately, flights on the ultra-fast are very difficult to get and only used in cases of emergency or intergalactic smuggling. Most of our visitors like to relax on more leisurely cruiser class ships, so why not you? These ships take about 9 months to get to Mars, plenty of time for your body to adjust to the adventures that await you. We do require a 3 months minimum stay on Mars due to Earth's orbit, so you probably should let your dog stay with friends and stop milking newspaper deliveries and send those birthday cards before leaving on your 27-month extravaganza. Fuel costs continue to rise, but we've been able to secure the lowest pricing in years by buying in bulk. We in turn can pass those savings on to you, but you must act now to lock in this deal. You get the entire package, including hotel, food, water, and air, plus all excursions, a trip to Mars for only $90 billion. Each way per person based on W occupancy, gratuity not included. That's only 1/10 less than you would pay for this normally high-priced deal. So, if you're the type of person who wants to be different from the rest of the crowd, somebody who isn't confined by terrestrial limitations, or somebody who recognizes opportunities as they appear, why not give us a call to set up your trip to Mars today? Seating on our cruisers is limited, and you must have a paid reservation to board. Don't be left behind because you are too afraid to take action. So go ahead and pick up the phone and dial the number on the screen, 1-900-343-THIS-IS-FAKE. I say again, to make a reservation today, you need to call 1-900-343-THIS-IS-FAKE. So call now and prepare for your future trip today. Operators are standing by.